Good day everyone, I'm Tilasrat here. Today I am going to show how to design an owl image. But before that, let's see what are the tools to create owl image. Let's start now. Paintbrush, glue, scissors, crayon, watercolor, color paper, drawing paper. Now I am going to color the background of drawing paper with crayon. Once complete the background, I am going to use watercolor to paint on top of the background. Let the watercolor dry properly, then cut it into square. While waiting watercolor dry, prepare all the shape as what you can see now. Stick this orange square together. Then stick the shape on top of this. Then stick this red color on top of this orange color. Once done, stick a black dot on top of the red. Now you can see eye shape of the owl is ready. Remember the black color square shape I cut before. Now take the yellow sticker and stick on the side of both sides. Take the eye side of the owl and stick on top of the black square. Finally, stick the both leg of the owl on the bottom of the body. Now you can see full owl. Now I use pencil to make owl feathers. Now my owl image is ready. You guys should try this at home because it is very easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!